This is your guide to the ALFRI accreditation process from the Bell Foundation. There are 3 stages to accreditation: application, collection and submission of evidence, and outcome. First, read the accreditation outline document and complete the online application form. After the application has been processed, we will send your school an accreditation agreement to sign and an invoice to be paid. Once payment is made, we will begin the collection and submission phase. The collection and submission phase consists of 5 stages. First, become familiar with the ALFRI Accreditation Handbook for Schools. After this, complete and submit the initial self-assessment form with a brief rationale to explain your thinking. Next, you will hold an online meeting with our assessors to provide an overview of your school context and go through the self-assessment. Once a submission deadline is agreed, you will collect and submit evidence via our online portal. And in the last stage, you will meet with the assessors again and receive feedback on the submitted evidence. Following the final meeting, the school will receive a written report with the outcome of the accreditation, a summary of the findings, and recommendations for further development. There are 2 possible accreditation outcomes. If accreditation is awarded, then the school receives a certificate and the ALFRI quality mark to use on its website and promotional materials. If accreditation is not awarded, then the school may be given the option to resubmit at an additional cost within 3 months. We will help you evaluate your provision across 7 dimensions. There are 4 stages of development for each dimension. These are: not yet started, ready to start, implementing, and leading. To be awarded accreditation, the school needs to demonstrate it is implementing or above in each of the 7 dimensions. In order to receive the ALFRI quality mark, your school can use for promotional purposes and a certificate to display on the school premises. Your school needs to designate 1 liaison person to lead on the accreditation process. The school liaison will be expected to read the accreditation handbook and communicate processes to relevant staff, attend online meetings with the Bell Foundation assessors, oversee the completion of the self-assessment document, drive forward school development leading to accreditation, and manage the gathering and submitting of evidence for accreditation. Each school's circumstances will be different, so timings given are approximate and will vary between schools. To ensure success, we also recommend that schools provide dedicated time for staff to complete any tasks required for accreditation, adhere to the agreed timescales throughout the accreditation process as agreed by the Bell Foundation and the school, and involve senior leaders throughout the process to ensure support and provide evidence related to leadership and governance. We aim for the entire process to be completed within 6 months, but some schools may require longer depending on the findings of the initial self-assessment and how long is needed to gather the required evidence. For more information, contact us at international@bellfoundation.org.uk.